Dad, I used Google, YouTube, Gmail, and Maps today, all free. How is that even a business?
You paid. Just not with money. You paid with your time, your attention, and your data, and those are worth more to Google than any subscription fee you'd ever agree to pay.
My attention is worth money? I spend half of it watching guys fall off bikes.
All of it is worth money. This is the attention economy. Companies compete for your eyes, then sell access to your eyeballs to advertisers. The more time you spend, the more ads you see, the more money flows.
So I'm not the customer. I'm like, the thing being sold.
Exactly. The advertiser is the customer. You're the product. Google made $237 billion in ad revenue last year. Search ads alone are the most profitable machine ever built in business history.
How does a search box make hundreds of billions?
You search best running shoes, companies bid in an instant auction for the top result. Nike bids, Adidas bids, the winner pays only if you click. Google runs billions of these auctions every single day.
Wait, an auction happens between when I type and when I hit enter?
In about 200 milliseconds. The data angle makes it even more powerful. Google knows your location, search history, age bracket, interests. That targeting is why ad slots can sell for $50 a click.
Okay, what about Amazon? They actually sell stuff. Different model?
Amazon is actually three businesses stapled together. The marketplace where third-party sellers pay fees, AWS Cloud Computing, which is their most profitable division, and Prime subscriptions. The store barely makes money.
Amazon's cloud is more profitable than Amazon's store? That's so weird.
The store is a customer acquisition funnel for everything else. Bezos called it the flywheel. More buyers attract more sellers mean lower prices attract more buyers. It feeds itself.
What about Apple? They charge $1,000 for a phone, so that part makes sense.
But Apple's fastest growing segment is services, App Store, Apple Music, iCloud, Apple TV. Each iPhone is a gateway into an ecosystem. The phone is the door, and the subscription revenue comes after you're inside.
And Meta, Zuckerberg is just selling ads on Instagram and Facebook?
Essentially yes, almost 97% of Meta's revenue is advertising. The difference is they own the social graph, who you know, what you like, who influences you. That relationship data is uniquely valuable to advertisers.
So all these free apps are actually the most expensive things I use every day.
There's a saying, if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. Your data, attention, and behavior patterns are being packaged and sold thousands of times every day, you just don't see the invoice.
This is going to make me weird about using Google now. Thanks for that.
Knowing it doesn't mean you stop using it, the products are genuinely useful. It just means you understand the real exchange happening. That makes you a smarter participant instead of an accidental one.
Network effects, I keep hearing that. What does it actually mean?
A phone with one person is useless. A phone with 1 billion people is essential. The more people use a platform, the more valuable it becomes for every person already there. That's why it's so hard to dethrone these companies.
So they get big, and getting big makes it impossible to compete with them. That's kind of scary.
Which is why antitrust regulators in the US and Europe are constantly looking at these companies. When a moat gets deep enough, competition policy becomes the only tool left.